Hello, super sentence builders. Welcome to Verb Power, your awesome guide to sentence engines. Get ready to discover the amazing words that make our sentences zoom. So what are verbs? Think of them as the superpowered engines in our sentences. Gear. They show us what's happening or what something is. Without verbs, sentences just stop, like these. The dog runs. The cat sleeps. See, verbs make things happen. First up, meet the action verbs. These are the movers and shakers. Woman cartwheeling. They show actions you can often see or imagine, like jump, dance, read, or swim. Can you picture someone doing these? Maybe even try acting one out right now. Go on, give it a quick try. Next, we have state verbs, the thinkers and feelers. Thinking face. These verbs tell us about feelings, thoughts, or what something is like. You can't usually see these actions. Examples are love heart, think, believe, and know. They happen inside our minds and hearts. Now, some action verbs are transitive verbs. They're the sharers. Gift. They need to pass their action onto something or someone, called the object. Grammar tip. Ask what or whom after the verb. If there's an answer, it's transitive. Like, she kicks what? The ball. Soccer ball mom bakes. What? Cookies. Cookie. The boy reads. What? A book? Books? But some action verbs are intransitive verbs, the solo stars, sparkles. They don't need an object. Their action is complete all by itself. Like, birds fly. Fly what? Doesn't need an answer. Babies cry. Baby, she sleeps. Sleeping. The action stays with the subject. Okay, game time. Starstruck. Which of these sentences have action verbs? Let's read them. The sun shines brightly. The cat naps on the chair. Tom throws the ball. Birds sing in the trees. Pause slightly. Did you spot them? Surprise. They all have action verbs. Shines, naps, throws, sing. Meet the linking verbs, the connectors. Link. Their job is to connect the subject to more information about it, like an equal sign. They don't show action. The most common ones are forms of to be. Is, am, are, was, were. For example, the cake is sweet. Birthday cake. Cake equals sweet. There are other cool linking verbs too, often related to our senses, like feel, look, smell nose, sound ear, and taste tongue. They connect the subject to how it seems. For example, the music sounds beautiful. Musical notes. Music equals beautiful. Sometimes, main verbs need a sidekick. These are helping verbs. Handshake. They work with main verbs to show when something happens, the tense, or things like possibility. Common helpers include am, is, are, was, were, will, and can. Like in I am running. Here, am helps running. These helpers are super useful. They can show time like will go means the future, or was playing means the past. They show possibility like can jump or might rain. And they show need like must finish or should listen. See, I will go tomorrow. You can jump high. Your turn to be a verb master. Thinking face. Let's complete these sentences. Think about what verb fits best. The dog, blank, the bone. Maybe choose, likes, birds, blank, in the sky. Maybe fly, sing, the ice cream, blank, cold. Maybe is, feels, she, blank, to school. Maybe walks, goes, great thinking. Let's quickly recap those super verb powers. Sparkles, remember. Action verbs show movement, woman running. State verbs show feelings or thoughts, thinking face. Linking verbs connect, ideas link. And helping verbs assist other verbs, handshake. Awesome. Okay, verb detectives. Woman detective, get your magnifying glasses ready. Can you find the main verbs in these sentences? The cat sleeps on the mat. John rides his bike fast. The cake tastes yummy. We are playing games. Pause. Did you find sleeps, rides, tastes, and are playing? Fantastic work. Wow, you learned so much about verbs today. Let's review. Verbs are sentence engines. Gear. They show action or state. Some need objects. Transitive. Some work alone. Intransitive. Some connect, linking, and some help. Helpers. Remember, every sentence needs a verb. Keep practicing, verb superheroes.